Let's see how you can easily build a powerful WhatsApp AI agent that can simply respond to your customers' questions, collect their details, notify your agents, and track leads through a AI-powered CRM as well. So here I'm in a demo account. The first step is to connect your WhatsApp account right here in Chatting Media. To do that, you need to simply go to channels over here and simply choose WhatsApp and connect. So if you're wondering how the process looks like, you can go to the help center over here and choose the WhatsApp automation. So here we have a helpful video on how this process looks like. So you will need to simply log in with Facebook, choose your WhatsApp existing account, or you can actually create your new WhatsApp account as well, and then use that account to connect it on our platform. So here, if you already have a WhatsApp business app, you can even connect the same phone number right here for the WhatsApp chatbots as well. But make sure you are not from these countries, because these countries are not supported yet to connect the existing WhatsApp business app for the WhatsApp chatbot. So you can actually find more details right here, which countries can use the WhatsApp business app, or which countries has to create a new phone number or delete the existing WhatsApp business phone number to connect to the WhatsApp over there. So once you have done it, you will see your WhatsApp account connected right here, and you also need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So when you go to the AI Hub, you will be prompted to connect the API keys. So since we have already done it, we don't see that. Again, here we have a helpful guide for that one as well. So here go to help center over here, choose building AI agents. So here when you go to the AI Hub, you will see this sort of window, and you got to connect the API keys right here from the OpenAI platform. So we have done that as well. So here I'm in the AI Hub, and let's create a new AI agent over here. And for this video, let's imagine we want to create an AI agent for this specific company called as Greenscape Solutions. And here we have collected all the information about that specific company, including the services, the service area, and some pricing information as well. So here we have all the information about that specific company. So likewise, you will need to create a document something like this for your own business, but you can also use this particular prompt generator tool right here. Simply enter your website address, which can simply grab all the information about your business from your website, and you can also use that information as well for the AI chatbots or AI agents as well. So let me create a new AI agent over here and name this AI agent with this specific company called as Greenscape Solutions. Alright, so here you have to add all the information about your business right here, or you can actually upload that information as a PDF file and use that information right here as well. So let me click save over here. I'm not doing anything over here. Save, and let me actually upload that information through a PDF file. For that, go to AI tools and files. You have the option to upload the PDF files. So here I have converted the same document right here into this specific PDF file. The same information is here. So let me upload that PDF file over here and show you. So the file is being uploaded over here. Alright, so the Greenscape Solutions knowledge base PDF has been uploaded. So now I can use that specific information for the AI agent. So here, come back to AI agent, choose the Greenscape Solutions, and choose the file I just uploaded, which is Greenscape Solutions knowledge base PDF. And here you also need to add a prompt as well. So let me add this sample prompt over here, saying you are the customer service assistant for this company. Always respond as if you are speaking on behalf of this specific company instead of using the third person references. Keep responses concise, 1 to 2 sentences. And this is another important prompt you need to add when you're using files. Do not mention or reference any files, but base every response only on the information provided in the file. So this is a very important prompt you have to add when using files. Alright, so let me copy this information over here and paste it. Alright, and here if you want to collect a particular customer details, you also need to create the AI functions as well. So here in this prompt, we are going to collect the customer details through the AI function, which we are going to create right now. So when a customer requests a service or quote, first ask for their location. So here this particular company provides services only in specific areas. So here if you see primary service zones, extended service areas, likewise. So here first we need to confirm the customer's location to see we actually provide the service over there, and then we can actually collect any required details. For example, let's say we want to collect a particular customer's name, phone number, and the type of service they are interested in. So let me copy this information as well and add right here as a prompt, but later we can actually create this AI function to collect their details. All right, so let me click save over here, and again you have to come back to AI tools, choose AI functions, and create a new AI function which says request landscaping service. What does this function do? Allows the user to request a landscaping service and what data I want to collect, such as let's say I want to collect their name, let's say full name, and I want to collect their phone number. Let's choose phone field and let me say requested service. I want to collect the request service, so let me say service. So let me choose this one, landscaping service custom field over here. If you don't see these custom fields, you can actually create any custom fields you like through these flows, custom fields, and create any fields you like with a specific format or type as well. So here we already have the landscaping service created for a different project, so that's why I'm going to use the same field over here. Otherwise you have to create that particular field first and use that for this AF function. And here once all these details such as name, phone number, and requested service is collected, then we can actually send them a message, or we can actually trigger a flow as well, where we can do several other actions such as notifying admins, add them to specific pipeline boards. So let's do a flow after we collect these details. So let me click continue for now and come back to the flow section over here, and let me create a new flow which is triggered after the confirmation. Before that, let me show the pipelines. So go to pipelines over here. Here you can actually create different sort of pipelines with different stages. For example, new request, code sent, scheduled, in progress, completed. So here you can actually track lots of deals through these different stages and see how your business is doing right here. And you can also see how many projects are in progress, etc. So let me go to the flow section over here and create a new flow, and let me say Greenscape solution new request. So here you can send messages, add actions as well. For example, let me send a message saying thanks, right? It says thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon, and let me add an action. So let's add an action here saying add contact to this specific pipeline, and here you can add contact to the pipeline, and here you can choose the pipeline we have. So here we have only one pipeline in this account, so choose the opportunity center, but you can actually rename this one as you like. And here you can add any name for this contact as well. For example, let me just use the user ID, but you can add specific names as you like as well. And here you can set the opportunity value as well, and you can even assign admins. For example, let me say assign the Stella James to this specific new request pipelines. So this is the person who have to contact or call the leads and ask more details about the service request. And here you can set the priority and set the status, and here you can set which stage you want to send them to. So we definitely want to send them to new request stage over there, and you can set the due date if wanted. So let me click continue over here. So this is regarding the pipelines, but if you want to assign this chat to specific agents, again you can do that. Go to inbox and assign conversation to admin. We can assign the conversation to the same admin where we assign the pipelines to. So this will be assigned through the unified inbox as well, this through the pipelines, so both works the same. So let me click publish over here. All right, so this is the flow name, Greenscape Solutions new request. So now I have to go to the AI hub, AI tools, AI functions, and here choose the AI function which is request landscaping service, and choose the flow which is a Greenscape Solutions new request. That's it, continue. And now we are left with one more step where we want to activate this particular function into the AI agent. So go back to the AI agent, choose the Greenscape Solutions, and activate the function which is request landscaping service. All right, so here the function is activated and the prompt is there as well. So all look good. So now click save. So now you have to make sure this particular AI agent is set up as the default agent. All right, and go to settings, make sure integrations, open ChatGPT, make sure a auto reply is switched on as well, so that it will use the default AI agent to respond to user messages. So since we have connected the WhatsApp already, it will simply work on the WhatsApp as well. But if you want to test this for now, you can simply go to the AI hub and choose this option, test now. So here you can test right here in this window as well. For example, let me send a message, who are you? So it should say I'm a customer service assistant to this specific company. Yeah, it says we are Greenscape Solutions, a company specializing in landscaping services. How can we assist you with your landscaping needs today? So this is just how it in the test window, but you can actually test the same thing in the WhatsApp as well. So here this is the WhatsApp already connected. So let me share my phone screen over here and see how this actually works. So I'm in the WhatsApp over here, and let me send a message over here saying, what services do you provide? So here let me ask about the services they provide and see how this actually respond to us over here. We see the response. It says we provide comprehensive lawn care services including weekly maintenance, fertilization, weed pest control, etc, etc, and it simply lists all the services it provides right there. Here let me ask a question about the pricing for the irrigation services and see how this actually works. Can you tell me the pricing for the irrigation services? So let me send this and see how this actually works. So if I go to the PDF, we should see the pricing information as well. So the irrigation services here. So the basic the residential starts at 2,500 and it has the pricing information right here. So let me see what sort of response we have received right here. So here it sent me all the information right here. For the sprinkler basic residential system, this much, premium this much. It simply sent me all the information about the pricing over here, and as you can see here at the end, it simply asks me, may I know your location to confirm if we service your area. So here let's see what areas do they serve as well. So here they serve in this Austin area. So let me say the same thing over here. So let me say I'm from Austin. All right, and here if you feel this response is too long, you can also reduce this through the prompts as well. So that's also possible. And it says we do serve Austin as a part of our primary service zones. I can help you with your education service request. Please provide your full name and the phone number to proceed. So here it simply started collecting the customer details as they actually within the service location and interested in one of the service as well. So let me provide the details as well. So let me say John Justin, and let me provide the phone number as 917-243-5673. all right, so let's see what it says over here. It says thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon. So this particular message is triggered from the flow we set up, so all the actions should have happened as well. So now if I go to the pipelines, we should see a new contact. So contact 1, and it should be in the new request folder as well. And as you can see here, it's assigned to Stella James. And if you click on this contact, you can find all these details. Click on inbox, you can track that conversation right here as well. And let's say this particular person, Stella agent, send them a code, and they can simply move this particular customer to right here, code send, and here you can add the code value as well. For example, let's say they send the code for $3,000 and save it. So now, so here you can see it's updated to 3,000, and here you can see total is 3,000 because there's only one lead. So that's how you can actually move these leads down the line, and this only from the WhatsApp, but this works the same for all these connected channels right here. And you can track the conversations through this unified inbox as well. From there also they can respond to customers' questions right here as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily build a WhatsApp AI agent. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.